Good morning to all of, good afternoon to all of you children. Kindly pray. Let us begin today's class. Distribution of earthquake. Paridhi, do you have any question? Ask.
Please repeat the question number 14 and give reason fifth one.
Question number
15. Sir, 14.
which page number, which chapter?
Sir, page number 67.
Where do volcanic eruption generally occur?
Yes, sir.
Example. Volcanic eruption generally occur where sea floor is spreading. Or it occurs near the sea floor is spreading, or the plate boundary. Volcanic eruption generally occur near the sea floor is spreading, where the sea floor is spreading, or near the plate boundary. Give one example. I have told example is Lesser Antilles, Southern Antilles. Anyone you can give. Page number 66. Another question I will take after the class. Children, please attend the class. Akshita, I will take your question. So, if you see the distribution of earthquake, children, we have three major belts. Kindly see this. We have three major belts. Basically, one is the circumpacific belt first, then second is mid-Atlantic. Are you able to see channel? What I am drawing with the violet color, can you able to see? One is the circumpacific belt, second mid-Atlantic, third one is the mid-continental. This one, this mid-continental. There are minor some instances of interplate seismicity also that I will tell you, but there are basically three. There are three major belts. One is the interplate seismicity. What is it? I will tell, but basically 1, 2, and 3. Okay. The first one is what? It is basically, I think we need to explain it. I need to explain it with the help of diagram that will help you better. See, children. The first one, circumpacific belt, as you can see, we have discussed in detail a number of times that here it is a zone of subduction. Zone of subduction. The Pacific plate is subducting, going below. I told you, do you remember, Samriddhi? Pacific belt, this is a heavier belt, this is a heavier plate. Pacific plate is subducting below the various continental plate, and this subduction led to occurrence of earthquake. All along, volcanic eruption is also there and earthquake also. You can note down, children, nearly 66%. How much? 66% of the total earthquakes are experienced over here only. How much, children? 66%. Then the second category is with the pink color I am showing, dark pink color. With second is mid-Atlantic. You can see here what is happening. Sea floor is spreading. Listen carefully. This sea floor is spreading is going on, and here Along with that, Rift Valley also, children, here. This is also considered a part of that. An extension it is considered of the Silk Road spreading. Anyway, so shallow focus earthquakes are experienced here with mild to moderate intensity, not very severe. The third category in which that type of earthquake we also experience, Gorakhpur also experience such type of earthquake, and that is mid-continental. This one, we are also part of that mid-continental. What is happening here? I've just told that here in the Pacific Ocean, the Pacific plate is subducting. Why Pacific plate is subducting below the continental plate? Who will tell me? I want anybody. Why Pacific plate is going below, subducting? Parth, yes.
Because oceanic plate is heavier.
Heavier. In the mid-continental plate, in the mid-continental belt, what is happening? Both the belt are continental. Parth Tiwari, are you able to understand? Both the belt are continental. No belt. Sorry. In mid-continental belt, both the plates are continental. Both the plate. Which one? Eurasian also, Indian also. Clear? For example, this is where I have drawn this. This is the position of Himalayas. Is it clear? Is it clear? Indian plate is pushing the Eurasian plate. So what is happening? No plate is going below. But due to this collision, what is happening? Earthquakes. Okay? Due to this collision, earthquakes are taking place. Understood? If there were two type of plates, one is oceanic, other one is continental. An example, one is oceanic, other one is continental. Oceanic will go down, continental will be up. Understood this way? But if both are continental colliding, there will be no volcanic eruption. Understood? Neither this nor this will go down because both are having similar property. Understood? With others William and others. But this collision or sliding past, this kind of friction will lead to earthquake. Understood, children? That is why where the plates are colliding, the third belt where the plates are colliding, mid-oceanic, mid-continental, this also and this also, earthquakes are experienced. Nearly 21% earthquakes are experienced in this belt, children. Note down. 21% and sometimes deadly. Okay. Now a very important point. One term is given, interplate seismicity. Interplate seismicity. Children, see. One plate, two plate colliding each other. There is a possibility between the two plate, in any of the plate, there is a one fault. Fault, I told you na, crack. Now, plate is colliding. Earthquake is not here. Here there is an obvious reason for the earthquake, but sometime due to the fault in any of the plate, earthquake occurs here also. Understood? In India, Gujarat, huge earthquake of 2001. Page number 72, you open and see. You can open and see. There is Allahabad fault. Can you see this? Page number 72 in Gujarat. Allah one fault. One fault is given here. You can see, children. Have you found? Have you found, children? Allah one fault. Have you found? Page 72. Have you got this? Now see what happened. This crack was the cause of earthquake. Understood? So sometime due to interplate seismicity also this happens. Also similar earthquake was experienced, children, where in Latur in Maharashtra, India, Maharashtra, Latur, due to crack, due to fault, and 11,000 people died. Now we will see consequences of earthquakes. Consequences. Children, distribution of earthquake and interplate seismicity is clear to you? If it is clear, kindly give me a confirmation sign, children. Just for a brief revision, just for a brief recapitulation, again let us see one by one. First, circum-Pacific belt, where heavier Pacific Ocean plate, heavier Pacific plate, oceanic plate going below the lighter continental plates all over. South America, North America, Asia, Africa. Clear, children? First. Second, mid-oceanic, mid-Atlantic. Here, divergent plates are there. Listen, very important points. Subduction. Clear? Oceanic plate is going below, and this is continental. See this. Convergent plate boundary. Two plates are colliding, converging toward each other. Channel, are you able to understand? Convergent plate boundary. When two plates are diverging, a sea floor spreading take place. Understood? Sea floor is spreading. Two plates are going apart, or there is a break, there is a crack in the plate and going apart. Understood? Divergent plate boundary. Here, lava comes out. Atlantic Ocean is the correct case. Atlantic Ocean, mid-Atlantic plate, this type of example. Clear? The plate will either collide or diverge, or sea floor will spread, so plate, part of the plate are diverging from each other. Clear? Diverging. There is one more category which is not given here. That is when they are sliding. Sometimes they are sliding. Neither like this. They are sliding with each other. In this case also, children, what happened? Earthquake occurs. Now, consequences of earthquake. Consequences of earthquake. What can be the very obvious consequences, children? Very common thing. I am unmuting one by one. I want answer from my children. Yes, Jagrati. Jagrati Singh, unmuted. Priya. Tanya.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please tell. What is the consequence? Obvious consequence.
Building collapse.
Building will collapse. Building will knocked out from the foundation. If shaking is very much violent, building will throw out, means knocked out from the foundation only it will collapse. Understood? Is it clear? Third is the landslide. Children, what is landslide? Please see. Please observe this. Landslide. Have you seen this type of thing? Uttarakhand landslide. Have you ever heard? See what is happening. One picture I am enlarging for you. Landslide. What happened? Such a huge portion gone down. See, such a huge portion gone down. Hilly region. See, hilly region. Can you understand, Akshita? Is it clear to you? Aniskruti, Shraddha? Yes, children. What is happening? A huge portion of the land is going down under the influence of gravity. So what is landslide, children? First understand this. Landslide is that a movement of mass of rock, huge portion of on the hilly region down the slope, huge portion of the material or mass of rock and debris fall down. When it fall down, this is called landslide. Children, landslide do not occur only due to earthquake. Is that clear? There can be heavy rainfall and the material debris will come down. But earthquake is one of the cause. So earthquake also causes landslide. Clear to you? Uttarakhand, it is very frequent during the rainy season, landslide. And it is a very great problem. It is a great problem. It led to the clogging of the road and this transportation is affected badly. Children, it also causes, earthquake also causes one important thing, liquefaction of soil. What is liquefaction? Children, have you seen the soil outside? Channel, I'm unmuting you. Channel, soil outside your home.
Yes, sir.
How it is? If you take out in your hand, nowadays and in the summer season, what is the difference? In the summer, if summer season or very hot temperature, what happened? If you take out the soil in your hand, and nowadays
It is very dry, and nowadays it is quite of wet.
nowadays due to rain, it is wet. Understood? In the summertime, what is that? It is dry. Liquefaction, what happened? We build our home on land only. Others, are you able to understand? On the ground only we build our home. Understood? Due to the earthquake, what happened? The foundation, the soil near the foundation become just like the jelly, or you can see it become just like semi-liquid. So what will happen? The soil with the water become like semi-liquid, and then the foundation will start dwindling, or you can say the house will start tilting. This is the liquefaction. You have floor, you have this ground floor, means you make that bread out of flour or not. When you pour water and make a dough, from dough you make this bread or not. Are you able to understand what I am saying? When you pour lots of water, how the dough become? You can pull out from there. Understood? You can bring a small pieces of that dough. Otherwise, flour is what? Just like the sand. Is that clear or not? The wheat flour through which we prepare bread in our home is just like what? Sand, or just like soil. Imagine when we pour it and it become like dough. When you put your finger, you will have your imprints on that. Are you able to understand? The same situation get created by the liquefaction. And it won't be able to support the building and building collapse. So landslide and liquefaction is another problem. Third is the fire. There is a possibility that due to earthquake, some flammable material, or there is a one, collapsing of the building, there is a possibility that there is a flammable material which is get ignited. This ignition of the flammable material can lead to fire. That is why during earthquake, children, we are told not to go by lift. Understood or not? Lifts are not supposed to be used during earthquake. Due to earthquake, due to any kind of any accident, there is a possibility of fire. So fire is also one of the consequences of earthquake. So the major consequences of earthquake can be summed up: deformation of the ground. The ground become deformed. Picture is given in your book. Building collapse, railway line, road, bridges. To sum up, I am showing you. This is a picture, I cannot say good picture, but for your understanding, children. See what earthquake causes: collapse of the building. See how the building got knocked down. You can see such a big building, concrete building. See what is happening. Road, land deformation, all you can see, children. See such a big building collapsed. You see this bridge knocked out, knocked down, knocked off from their foundation. I hope you can understand by this different picture. Devastation by the earthquake. Clear to you all? Clear to you all, children? Please give me a confirmation message. Okay, thank you. Please put down the hand. One more thing I want to tell you, children. One more thing important. Where the soil is alluvial, soft soil brought by the river, alluvial, or where unconsolidated material, either alluvial or colluvium, or land is filled later on by the some garbage or something. I mean to say, the more soft underlying ground is, or the softer the ground, more will be the devastation, more will be the effect. Understood? More will be the damage. Understood or not? The softer the ground, alluvial soil, or if a colony was made by filling a depression, filling the ground, that will be more devastating. Loss of human life is the most important, children. You can note down, on an average, 15,000 people died due to earthquake every year. 15,000 people on an average are killed by the what? Earthquake. Then flash flood, another important. Flash flood, what is that? If there is a dam and due to earthquake it collapsed, what will happen? What will happen, others? All of a sudden, huge amount of water will wash away the nearby locality. Flash flood. Okay, the dam's embankment, there develops cracks and fissures, and all the water will flow within no time. Next important is tsunami. Tsunami. Please see this, children. Kindly observe this diagram, children. I hope you will understand it. Fault line, Khushi Khatun. There's a fault line, earthquake occur, huge amount of energy is released that will lift the water. Understood or not? See? Then there's a displacement on the ground below the water. When there is a displacement below the water in the ground, what will happen? That will raise the level of water. Water will flow in all the direction. And when it reaches the coast, now you can see what happened. Shallow, little bit rise in the water, but when it reaches the coast, it becomes tsunami, tidal wave. It is a Japanese term, children. It very high sea wave. See here, it started with a very small wave, children. And when it reaches here, you see this? When it reaches to the coast, very high, 40, 50 feet high. Can you understand now? Tsunami? Undersea earthquake led to tsunami. When it reaches the coast, it becomes very high and devastating. One more diagram is there. Earthquake, wave started, and at the coast, very high wave, it will inundate, cover all that area and kill lots of people and cause destruction. I want to show you the real picture of 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, children. Please see this. This is the real picture. Indian Ocean tsunami. See what happened after tsunami. See the building. See the people. Everything is lost. House devastated. See, this is the condition. Is enough to understand the effect of tsunami, children? Have you understood? If you have really understood, kindly give me confirmation. The last important point is there are some effect which is, you can say, positive also. What are the positive effect? Sometime it led to the subsidence or going down of a land area. Sometimes earthquake led to the subsidence, and this subsidence, listen, due to earthquake, this area submerged underwater. Now, ship can reach far inside. Earlier, it was like this. But due to earthquake, a huge portion gone down below the sea. Subsidence took place. Now, this ship and boat can easily reach, or you can say, sometime it led to the formation of bay. Okay, which is helpful for the navigation. Anyway, so in constructive effect also we have to understand it, that in constructive effect, sometime due to subsidence, this led to the formation of, in the coastal area. Children, I am talking about the coastal area. This is the coastal area. Ships can easily reach far inside, which is good for navigation, of flying of the ships and boat. Second one is the, due to the earthquake, sometime fissure gets open and led to the formation of geysers and spring. Geysers and spring in volcano also I told you, geysers and spring, which is a source of water, hot water, warm water, good for the health. Understood? Now the last topic is earthquake forecasting. Earthquake forecasting. After this, question answer will be discussed. Everybody will remain here. Earthquake forecasting, or earthquake forecasting, or you can say predicting earthquake. Predicting. Children, it is still very difficult to predict, but some animal behaviors, with the help of some animal behavior, Chinese are predicting it up to some extent. Like what happened, the animal behavior changes. For example, ducks refuse to go into that pond in the water. Ducks, you know ducks? Akshita, have you seen ducks in your locality? Hens are there, ducks are there. So ducks refuse to go before earthquake. Second thing, snakes which are sleeping deep inside the soil, they come out from there. Fish start jumping in the water, and the cattle, cow, buffalo, they refuse to enter their corrals. What is corrals? The places where they are kept under a, you see, barricading. These are the some signs through which people comes to know, but there is no 100% accurate scientific evidence, scientific evidence based forecasting, or you can say prediction through which you can tell. So this was the end of the chapter. Question and answer, let us discuss. We will again revise it. I will give you full time to ask question and answer on Thursday and Saturday. And again we will do the revision. Whichever point is not clear to anybody will be revised again and again. Is that clear? So don't worry. Complete your work so that you can submit the copy on time. Is that clear, Samriddhi? Submit the copy, children. Revision will continue. Ask as number of questions you want to ask. Your answer will be given. Note down. Answer the following question. First, describe the distribution of earthquake in the word. Content analysis given. Come on. Point number 5. Content analysis, point number 5, same page given, note down. Name the instrument used to measure an earthquake. Seismometer or seismograph? Seismometer or seismograph? Page number 68 it is given. Children, note down, page 68, seismometer and seismograph. Third, give some example of earthquake in the world. Of the world, page 68, 2-3 example you can give, it is given. Page 68, right side, top line, top paragraph. 1931, 1970 earthquake, Peru, then Tangshan, China, and Gujarat. 3 example you can give, date, country, and month. Clear to you? Is it clear to you, children? Rishabh, Pooja, Anshuman, is that clear to you? Note down date, country, and year. Question number 4. What is meant by Richter scale? Technical term, page 73, same page. Technical term it is given, Richter scale given. What is an earthquake? What is an earthquake? Content analysis. Content analysis. An earthquake can be defined as the shock, a series of shock due to sudden movement of crustal rock generated at a point known as seismic focus within the crust or mantle. Okay, done. Then, what is meant by epicenter? Technical term. Epicenter, technical term. What is seismograph? Technical term given. Technical term. State 2 causes of earthquake. State 2 causes of earthquake, children. Any 2 cause. You can write volcanic eruption, page number 69. Page 69, any 2 you can write. Volcanic eruption, plate tectonic, folding and faulting, anthropogenic. So better write volcanic eruption and plate tectonic. 2 are good. These 2 are very good. Volcanic eruption, plate tectonic. These 2 write page number from page 69. Done? Shannon, have you done all? Till here, have you done? Shraddha, Krishna, have you done till here? Okay, next. Mention 2 destructive effect of earthquake. Any 2, loss of human life, loss of property, landslide, building collapse. Any 2 you can give. Any 2 destructive effect which harms us, which can harm us. Okay, that you will give. Like loss of property, loss of life, tsunami, whatever. Mention 2 constructive effect. Content in brief. Content in brief, point number 4. C. Constructive effect, content in brief. Note down. Complete point 4. May result in the formation of geysers or hot spring. Earthquake sometime may result in the coastal submergence. Okay, this one. What is tsunami? Technical term. What is tsunami? Technical term. Done? Have you done till here? Have you done Parth till here? Okay. Now, fault, page number 69. Fault. Explain the following term. First, fault. Page 69. Folding and faulting. Folding and faulting. A fracture. First line. A fracture in the rock along which there has been an observable amount of displacement is known as fault. Done? Have you done, children, till here? A fracture in the rock, page number 69, left side, folding and faulting. A rock, fracture in the rock along which there has been an observable amount of displacement is known as fault. Done? Okay. Then seismic focus, technical term. Seismic focus, technical term. Third, flash flood, page number 72. Flash flood, page number 72. One paragraph is given, flash flood, top, complete paragraph. 3 lines are there. Samriddhi, have you noted down? Okay, next, landslide. Note down, landslide I am telling from my side. A movement of mass of rock, a movement of a mass of rock, the movement of a mass of rock, comma, debris. Note down, debris. DEBRIS, debris, comma. Down a slope, a movement of a mass of rock, comma, debris, down a slope, under the influence of gravity, under the influence of gravity is called landslide. It can be, it can cause due to heavy rainfall, it can cause due to heavy rainfall, comma, earthquakes or volcanic, and don't write or, and it can cause due to heavy rainfall, second, earthquakes, third, volcanic eruption. Samriddhi, do not talk, do your work first. And volcanic eruption. Children, today your syllabus for the first semester examination is over. Again, I want to repeat the chapters for the first semester examination. Chapter number 1, Earth as a planet. Open the syllabus, you can note down again. Second, latitude and longitude. Third, rotation and revolution. Fourth, Earth structure. Seventh, volcanoes. And 8, earthquakes. Plus map work. Turn the page prior to this page, before content. Turn point number 7, map work. Children, map is of 10 marks. Note down properly. 10 marks map, otherwise you will miss. Map work. Point number 4, mountains, complete, and plateaus, complete. Mountains and plateaus. Now you need not to worry where I will get. It is all given. Page number I am telling you. In the last page number 189, mountains are given, properly marked. Prepare that. Arrange 10 or 15 maps, outline map of the world, and do the practice. 4 or 5 times you will do, you will command over it. Children, have you got it? Page 189, mountains are already marked. See, mountains are already marked, children, in your book. And plateaus, they are also given. Plateaus. page 190. What you will prepare, that is given in the syllabus, not extra, nothing extra, which is given in the syllabus, that much you will prepare in mountains and plateaus. Some extra things are also given in the map. Now over to you, Muhammad Kabir. Question.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, I have to ask in the volcano chapter, question number first. I have not written.
What are volcanoes? Page 62.
No, sir. No, sir. In earthquake. Question number 1.
Describe the distribution of earthquake. Okay. Content and brief. It is written. Content and brief. Point number 5. Point number 5. Have you got, Muhammad Kabir? Channel. Oh no. Wait a minute. Akshita was waiting. Wait a minute. Akshita was waiting for you. Yes, Akshita.
Sir, at the previous class, I have requested you that will you please upload the recorded videos on the website. Sir, will you please?
It will be recorded. It will be uploaded.
Previous class question answer discussion videos.
Yes, it will.
Sir, please as
Check.
fast as you
There.
can.
It is already there. Please check it.
Sir? No, sir, it is not there. I have checked many times.
Today.
Yes, sir. No, sir, today not I have checked, but previous day.
No. You check it today. Most of the videos are there. What I have taught today, that is not uploaded. It will take 1-2 days. Previously, you check. Otherwise, you ask your question. 1-2 question you want to ask. 1 or 2 questions.
No, sir. No, sir. I was removed for very much time, so that's why I have
It's okay. It is already
many
there.
questions.
I will check it once more. Okay. All the videos which are provided
Okay,
are
sir.
already uploaded. First of all, second thing, start writing the question and answers. Thursday again we will get time. If you have any question, you can ask. Okay. Yes. Channel.
Sir, can you please repeat question number 9 and 10? I was disconnected.
Question number.
9 and 10.
Any you can write channel. It is very easy question. Mention any 2 destructive effect of earthquake: loss of life, loss of property. Anything you can write. Landslide. Okay. You are asking this, nah? This only. Channel. I think network problem from your side. I'm not able to hear. Channel. Reconnect me after some time. Samriddhi.
Sir, please again tell the answer. Explain the following terms. Fourth one, I was disconnected. Fourth one, landslides.
The movement, M-O-V-E-M-E-N-T, movement, M-O-V-E-M-E-N-T, the movement of a mass of rock, the movement of a mass of rock, comma, debris, D-E-B-R-I-S, debris, down a slope, D-O-W-N, down a slope, under the influence of gravity, under the influence of gravity is called landslide. It can cause children, please do a correction. It is caused due to, it can, don't write, it is caused due to heavy rainfall, comma, it is caused or it occurred due to, you can write, it occurred due to, better you write, it occur due to, landslide occur due to heavy rainfall, comma, earthquakes and volcanic eruption. Done, Samriddhi? Mayank Kumar, ask your question.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Mayank.
Sir, is there any city or state where earthquake is not taking place?
Yes, there are categories of the places based on the occurrence of earthquake. Not getting place means very less chances are there. Yes, there are. You will search earthquake zone. Okay, I'm showing. Wait a minute. India, I'm showing you. I hope it will good for you. See your own country's map, India. Can you see this? Different zones are there, children. Can you see? Channel, is it available? Now, zone 2, zone 3, zone 4, zone 5. Red color where they are shown, it is high risk zone. Your answer, are you listening, child, who asked me this question? Are you listening? Where is that boy? Mayank. Very high risk zone. Okay? Up to 9 in intensity, 9 earthquake on Richter scale can be observed, or had means this zone had experienced such earthquake also, such intensity or earthquake also once occurred there or experienced in that zone. High risk zone, zone 4, dark yellow color. If you want to low risk zone, 6th one, the blue color that you are seeing, okay, the blue color, it is the lowest risk zone, you can say, very low. Clear to you now? So you cannot say there earthquake will never be in that place, there earthquake will never be observed or never be, it will never that zone is safer, completely safer, not like this. Less, least, high, highest. This possibility can be there. Okay, children? Now,
Sir, where the seismic focus and the flash fluid answer?
focus you want answer.
Yes, sir.
Question number 2. Explain the following term. Technical term it is given, beta. Technical term. Not able to hear. Check your mic. Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Focus point.
Focus point you are asking, na? Seismic focus.
Yes, sir.
Technical term it is given. Note down from there.
Yes, sir. And sir, flash fluid.
Huh?
And flash fluid.
Flash flood.
Yes, sir.
72 page number. Top right. Flash flood given. Have you
Yes,
got
sir.
it?
Yes, sir.
Next, Raj Nandini. Ask.
Good afternoon, sir.
No?
Sir, why when the waves are reaching,
Yes.
sir, when the waves are reaching the coastal area, they are getting higher than they were before. Why is it so?
Because they are gaining energy when they are reaching, the water becomes shallow in the deep ocean. In the deep ocean, see, when they are reaching the coast, understood?
Sir.
What will happen? As you can see, the water becomes shallow, the depth becomes shallower and shallower. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Depth from the surface of the water till the ground becomes shallower. The shallower is the depth, higher will be the size of the you can say the length of the wave. Clear?
And sir, could you please again elaborate this folding and faulting?
Folding and faulting. Okay. Okay. Yes, Shannon.
So I wanted to ask that fissure and faulting are the same thing.
Faulting you want to understand?
So I'm asking that fissure and faulting are the same thing.
Fissure and faulting. No.
Yes, sir.
Fissure is some
So,
crack.
this,
Huh?
so then what is the difference?
Difference is there. Fissure is a crack, you can say an opening from where sometimes lava also erupts. Okay. But cracks, lava will not erupt. Is that clear to you? Clear to you?
Thank you, sir.
This is the one example you can say. Mohammed Kabir.
Sir, can you please again tell the first semester question?
I think it is the 5th or the 6th time I am telling. I am sure that you are not paying attention, beta. I am telling you. I don't remember the how many times I have told since I came to know about the exam. Again, I am telling it's not a problem, but you are not attentive. I think I'm sure you are not attentive. There are various ways to find the same thing. Even you see the previous videos also, it is uploaded. Number of time I have said. Anyway, chapter number 1, Earth as a planet. Chapter number 2, latitude and longitudes. Chapter number 3, rotation and revolution. Chapter 4, Earth structure. Then chapter number 7, volcanoes, and chapter number 8, earthquakes. After that, turn up previous page, map work. Map work, 4th point mountains, 5th point plateaus. Done.
Yes.
Folding and faulting. Wait a minute. If it is there in the diagram, I can tell you. Yes. Who was that person who asked me? Akshita. Rajnandini. I have unmuted you, Rajnandini. You can speak also.
Yes, sir.
See this. Can you see this plate getting compression? This can you see this slab which is getting compression from both the side?
Yes, sir.
What is happening? It gets folded.
Yes, sir.
This type of thing is called folding. And then I told you it depends upon what? The material. It depends upon the property of that particular rock structure. It may get bent, it may not withstand that pressure and get into two slabs. Faulting occurs, crack occur. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, this crack, these two pieces, when they slides, when they collides, children, it is not something just like the size of your duster. Are you able to understand, Rajnandini? It is part
Yes,
of the
sir.
earth crust, thousands of kilometers wide and long. Imagine in this way, hundreds of cities and towns are located on this slab. Here, what happened? This led to this friction, this kind of grinding led to formation of earthquake. Clear to you now? Folding
Yes,
and
sir.
faulting. This is folding and this is faulting.
Yes, sir.
Okay, children. Thank you very much for attending the class. Have a nice day. Good day to all of you. Kindly complete your work as soon as possible. With map also.